Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement tier discount by spend using Shopify Functions. This is a powerful way to offer dynamic discounts to your customers based on how much they spend. So our requirements are spend 100 or more, you will get 10% off. Spend 200 or more, you will get 15% off, and spend 300 or more, you will get 20% off. So let's get started. Open VS Code and click on terminal and type Shopify app in it. Hit enter and name of your project, tiered discount. You can name it anything. Let's start by adding your first extension. It will take some time to install the dependencies. Okay, next, cd tier discount. Go to that directory cd tier discount. Then run this command Shopify app generate extension, and it will install the extension. We need to select our partner account. Yes, create a new app and name it tier discount. Then select the Shopify function. We are going to use discount orders function, and we will name it tier discount. Enter, and we are going to use JavaScript. It is going to take some time. Okay, our extension is installed. Next, we'll go to the extension folder, then tier discount folder, then source, and open the run GraphQL file. Okay, we are going to add the input, the object we need. So first we need cart object. Inside that we need lines, and then in the lines we need quantity, then cost. Inside cost we need total amount, and then in total amount we need amount, and here we need merchandise. Inside merchandise we need type name, and on product variant we need ID. So once you type this input, go to the extension cd extensions, and then cd tiered discount, and here you're going to type Shopify app function type gen. Okay, next we are going to work in run.js file. So remove everything from here, and also this one. Next, we will add a function here, export function, and name it run, and we will get input over here, and inside that we will have a variable cart, const cart, and input.cart, which is coming from GraphQL query. And next variable we are going to have spend thresholds. This will be an array, and inside that we will have an object threshold. And first threshold will be 300, and discount will be 0.2. So it will give us 20% discount. Next object we will just copy and paste, and next will be 15%, and the threshold amount would be 200 and 100 for the 10% discount. We have this array. Now we need another variable, const total spend. Now get the total spend of the customer from the cart dot lines dot reduce. We are going to reduce function to get the total of the cart. Reduce, and here type sum line and arrow function, and we are going to return sum plus line dot cost dot total amount dot amount, and then we'll pass 0. It will give us total spend. Then we need discount rate, const discount rate is equal to spend threshold dot find t, and total spend greater than equal to t dot threshold. If that exists, discount. Otherwise we will return 0. Okay, next, if discount rate is equal to 0, then we will return discount count application strategy discount strategy dot first, and we will return the empty discount discards empty array. Okay, next we need to have the discounts object, discount array. Const discounts is equal to cart dot lines dot map. We are going to map each line, and then we are going to return the object. Inside that we'll have targets. In the targets array we have the object product variant, and that will have id line dot merchandise dot id. Let me correct the spelling of merchandise. And next we will have value. In the value we are going to pass the percentage, and our value would be discount rate multiply 100. And the last thing we are going to pass the message, and message would be you have received the discount rate multiply 100 discount, and in the end we are going to return this discount strategy, discount application strategy dot first, and here we'll pass the discounts. Okay, once you do that, we need to go back. We need to open this file Shopify app.toml, and we need to define the scope, write discounts, and then go back to the root cd, and here first command we are going to type Shopify app deploy. First we will deploy this. Hit enter. It is going to deploy our settings and scope. Yes, release this new version. And it will take some time. Okay, it is releasing new version. Now, the next command you are going to type npm run dev. So it will start our application. Okay, we need to select the store where we would like to install the app. So I will install over here. Next, it will give you a list of the commands. If you press P, it will open the preview of the store in the browser. I will press P. Now it will ask me to install this app. This is our app, and this is the permission we have. Click on install, then go back, and after that we need to open the GraphQL admin API panel in the browser. So I'll press G, and it will open GraphQL panel over here. We need to get all the functions which are installed here in the store. For that, we need to copy this command and paste over here. It will query Shopify Functions, and it will return us the ID of the function. So let's run this. And this is the ID of our function. We need to do the mutation. So go back over here and copy the mutation command and paste that over here. And I will type here tiered discount, and then I will copy the ID of my function and replace the ID over here. So you can add the start date. I will keep as it is. I'll run this command, and now our function is executed. Now go back to our store and try to add some products into the cart. So let's try this one. Add to cart and go to cart. Right now the total is less than 100. Let's try to add another one, and if you go to the checkout, you will see you have received a 10% discount. Okay, so as you can see now I have a 15% discount because my total is over 200, and if I go to over 300, then I will get the 20% discount. And as you can see, I have a 20% discount over here. So this is how you can add the tier discount in your store. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you need help with your Shopify products, you can contact me through Fiverr or Upwork. I will give you the link in the description. Thank you for watching.